Moon mission. Is Bitcoin about to go on a moon mission? Well, I hope so. One thing I can tell you is Bitcoin's creating a series of higher lows and higher highs. And that is the definition of an uptrend. As you can see over here, we was doing the opposite. Started making these lower lows, lower highs, and we dumped. We dumped all the way to 107. Yeah, from 107, we found support. We pumped to 117. From 117, we dumped to 108. But this is the important bit about the dump. This dump didn't go lower than the previous dump. So this right here shows you strength, especially when it started going up again. This is a higher low. The price didn't make a new low. So now the uptrend started. The real question is, are we going to the moon? I don't know, but I'm going to take it step by step. Before we go to the moon, let's break 123. If we break 123, let's break 124. And then let's start. And then let's start the moon mission. Yeah? But Bitcoin's doing something very nice right now. Do I trade Bitcoin? No. Do I leverage trade Bitcoin? Hell no. Cause why? Because I can make more money trading the altcoins. So if Bitcoin starts going up, the altcoins will go up. Bitcoin goes up 5%, the altcoins will go up 20%. Simple, yeah? Around those numbers. But anyways, charted this yesterday on the RSI. As you can see, it was getting a bit hot. It went all the way up to 87. So I see it. This doesn't really mean anything, but sometimes it does, and it's just sometimes it needs to cool off. Yeah, we started hitting that overbought area, and I saw this yesterday, and I was like, this is perfect. If we want the uptrend to continue, we just want it to go up, come back down, hopefully retest this level, previous resistance, use it as support, and keep going up. Done that yesterday, but Bitcoin's not listening to the rules. Like, it doesn't want to come all the way over here and retest it. It's just stopped over here. No problem, no issue at all. But what coin am I looking to trade to make the most money? The coin I've picked is, boom, SPX. I picked SPX. It was just on a random one. I literally made a video about this 4 days ago. SPX. As you can see, this is me talking about SPX. Well, 5 days ago. I made a video about support and resistance, how to draw support and resistance lines, yeah? Anyways, down here, I talked about SPX. Trader. And I explained SPX is on a downtrend. It's just look, low, 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 low. Just low, 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 lows. Yeah? And I said I won't trade it until it starts doing something like this. There you go. The lows. So I won't be looking for a coin to be long in this coin. For me to long this, I need the price to do something like this. So when it starts doing shit like this, yeah, then I understand we're not doing the opposite of this, which is creating new lows. I understand we're creating higher lows, higher highs, higher low, higher high. So I won't be looking for no long right now. I understand. Remember, all right, cool. So as I explained over there, while it's doing all of this, I'm not looking for a long because the shorts are winning. But now it's not doing that anymore. So if we mark previous low, the lowest low it went to was over there. Let's turn that white. And then after that, into low after that, let's turn this a weird color. Let's turn it pink. I don't even know what color that is. Is that pink? Whatever. But can you see the difference? One low. This is a lower low. This is a higher low. This low is higher than this low. And then after that, The next low would be over here. And after that, over here, so on, so on. So as you can see, it's making higher lows, higher highs. The trend is changing. Cool. So I realized that, yeah. So the first thing I done was I went on the daily, and then I got this line. This is my trend line. If it breaks this trend, if it breaks this trend line and comes back and uses that and retest, I'll enter. You can call this a falling wedge. I'll call it a falling wedge. I don't care what anyone says, yeah. 68% chance at some point falling wedge breaks up to the upside. But anyways, so far I just left the page like a moron. Mentalness. Alright, cool. Daily. Get rid of this. So far, it's done that. It's broke out and it's come back and retested. Came back and retested, right? So depending on your risk tolerance, like you can enter this trade. Right now, it depends how much leverage you're using. Yeah, me personally, I'm in, but my first entry's over here. I got in because I missed all of this, and then when I see it break, when I see it break this, I said, cool, I'll go in. First entry, I'm in. I'm not in with a lot of money. I think like 3,000 or let me check. I think it's like I don't think it's over 3,000. Where's my maxi? There. There you go. I'm in. Oh, there you go. It's 3,594. 5x leverage. If I this is my stop loss. But depending on what Bitcoin's gonna do, I might just transfer more money into my futures account and then scaling. Like if it starts going down, I might start scaling in. But I haven't made my mind up yet because I don't understand what Bitcoin's trying to do here. Like I need Bitcoin to pump. I need Bitcoin to pump. For this trade to work out, yeah. I need Bitcoin to pump and I need Bitcoin dominance to dump. I need this to dump. And I also need USDT dominance to dump. But if USDT dominance starts doing weird shit like this because it's coming up to support, if it starts using support and it starts going up, then I'll exit that trade. So far on that trade I just showed you, I've got a stop loss. Stop loss of minus 16%. That works out to be I lose 570 something dollars. If it just for whatever reason, if it just tanks right now, I'll lose $570. And obviously my take profit is up here. I set it at 100%. Why the fuck not? But yeah, I haven't made my mind up yet. And obviously, like I said, if it starts going down and I think the market is still looking good to long, I'll just top up my leverage account, my futures account. I'll probably put how much is in the trade? 3,700, 3,000. How much is in there? So I'll probably put like 7K in. I'll put 7K in and then I'll do another buy order with 7K. And then I'll be all in with just over 10K. And then we'll see where that takes us. But right now, so far, so good. We got another 2 hours and 3 minutes to be precise until markets open. But yeah, this is what I'm looking for. And hopefully Bitcoin does go on the moon mission. But like I said, let's just take it step by step. Let's break. Let's go on the daily. Let's break 123. And then let's break previous all-time high 124. And then I'll be like, yo, bro, moon mission, let's go. Until then, I'm just ready in it. Either way, I'm ready. Like I'm not gonna get trapped. A lot of people get trapped. When people long, market makers love to trap people. When people short, market makers love to trap people. I'm just making sure I don't get trapped and making sure I'm not over leveraged and I'm just chilling and I'm just seeing what happens. But this is a quick video. Like, subscribe, all of that, all of that.